Hey everyone, welcome back to Study Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. So, I found this really pretty yarn in Daiso. It's called the Flower Flake. This was really lightweighted and feels like a ribbon and looks so good. I wanted to try it out and decided to make a scrunchie with it. So, if you guys are here to learn how to make a scrunchie, any other yarn will be okay as the process is same. And let me know how do you like this new yarn. And if you're already here, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So as recommendation written here to use 4mm to 5mm size hook. So I'm using a 4mm size hook and use a hair tie which is really strong. So we are making two types of scrunchies today. Both are really easy to make and look super pretty. So let's make our scrunchie number 1. At first make a slip knot like this. And single crochet around the elastic like this. You can add as many single crochet around there, so no count for it, but I recommend if you can use a elastic which will be similar color with the yarn, will look more pretty. So slowly cover the whole portion. So I couldn't get the same product in Amazon or any other websites to give you the link in the description, but if you go to online store of Daiso, you will find it there. I was not being able to copy the link, so just go to the online store of Daiso. You guys will find it there. You can even push the chains to fit more of them. The more chains you add, the wave of the size will be more. So at the end, just make a slip stitch on the first chain and end the row. So this will be our first row. For the second row starting, add 3 chains first, then make double crochets. Make the first double crochet on the same chain like this, yarn over, pull the yarn from the first 2 chains, again yarn over and pull, form last 2 chains. Now we will have to do double crochet all around this. Chain 1, a double crochet in the next chain, again chain 1, a double crochet in the same one. So you have to make 2 double crochet in the same chain, and between each chain make chain 1 and continue till the end. And at last, make a slip stitch in the first chain and end the row. Now cut the extra yarns and secure and hide the last portion, and this is how it's look like. So pretty and comfy. I love how the yarn turned out. So let's make the second scrunchie now. So for this one, same materials, I will make 15 chains first. After chain 15, wrap it around the hair tie like this. Now, so this will be your size of the scrunchie. If you want to reduce or add any chains, do it right now. We will continue sideways to cover the whole hair tie. You just have to make double crochet on each one of them. This process is little time taking than the previous one. Add a slip stitch in the end of each row and start again with double crochet for the next row. The more chains you add, the more fluffy it's gonna look. Squeeze the chains and keep adding rows. To make the inner side, you just have to rotate it like this and continue with double crochet. And the end, when you feel like it's enough of the rows, cut the yarn. You can use your crochet hook as well, but I prefer a needle. So cut the yarn and attach a needle to it. And simply connect the both ends like this. And at last just secure it with a knot and hide the last piece of yarn. So this scrunchie is also ready. I hope you like it. Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Both look super aesthetic on their own way, and I just love how the yarn has this amazing flowery effect. I hope you like them too, and once again, do not forget to subscribe to my and like the video and comment down below and let me know how do you like it. See you on my next one. Bye bye.